It's Sunday. I leave on Tuesday. My hair is so fluffy. I'm really tired. I don't want to deal with crowds, so I'm going to deal with less crowds. I'm going to go to the Pokemon Center at Tokyo Bay location. So I'm going to take like a train ride an hour out because yesterday was too much. I'm tired. Funabashi section smells like cake. And good cake. The big I can't. We're not going there though. I don't know how close these get, but there are super slow travel aiders that say that it goes to the Tokyo Bay shopping center from the station. I don't know how close we're gonna get, but let's find out. Bye IKEA. Honestly, what I needed today is so lovely. I can't wait to get it back. End of the third one, and then I met with the cruelest thing ever. Wait for it. So it tells you to go upstairs. So you're telling me I just had a great time and now I have to go up. This is what I get. I'm tired and my hair's not tied up today, so it's gonna be in some of the clips just flicking in. Like, there's nothing I can do if I don't notice it. Did it. So much nicer. There's no one touching me. There's no one yelling in my ear. This is where I need to be today and yesterday, honestly. If I remember correct, animals are allowed in some parts. So where it has the bag, they have to be like contained, but like animals can walk through the outside into certain stores and stuff. I hope I see a dog. Apparently outside in the dog friendly area, there's a Pikachu statue. I'm gonna find it. Plaza has Sesame Street and I honestly cannot trust another mug in there, but it has him. Oh, you can't do this to me. Oh, I love him. Okay, I must stay focused. I want to see the statue and go to the center. They have a Super Grover thing. Oh, no, 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 no. I have found the Pokemon Center, but I could not see the statue from inside. And there seems to be like renovation things up. This is the loud part. This is where the supermarket is. Oh, I need to take a photo of that for my wife. She loved them, and I love them. I have another one! Oh, that's so cute! I love this collection, it's so cute. Like, and then there's the sleepy and disgruntled Pikachus. They're so funny. I get the Ditto from yesterday, but I am looking for a particular Evie plush that's old, because sometimes they have the older stuff here, because it's a big store and it's like further out, so. I do not seem to have it. That's fine. I'm gonna order online. It's one that I would pay shipping for anyway. Other things I want, so let's go get a basket. There's so cute. I've secured the goods and retreated to Sanrio. Oh, ooh, what is they made up? I don't like that. With that, what is with the speaker? But I found the Pikachu statue, so now I found the Pikachu. I'm trying to cut off all the children. I found the Pikachu statue, so I need to get down there. So big! Whoa! Found the giant Pikachu, and I am happy with it. Beautiful. Alright, kinda wanna have lunch, but I know where to eat here. Getting busier in there, and I don't know what to eat here, so I'm just gonna get the train back to Tokyo Station and go eat. I'm gonna grab a snack from New Day's on the way, so it should be good. It is bright now. The thing about going and coming back from Tokyo Bay, if I'm coming to Tokyo Station, is it's the Disney, the same line as that Disney line that I'm like, follow it to the ramen. Now we're doing the other way to the ramen. Video today, Ditto's gonna order for me. I wish I could eat this every day of my life.
Got it. Okay, thank you so much.
Only Ditto not bring my noise cancelling headphones, which is been a time with overstimulation. But I have now broken these ones, which usually it takes me about a year to break them. So I was due to get new ones, so that's it. Oh, he's gone. Today, like all the train places and New Days and stuff have stuff back in, but it's like completely random. I think like dead stock, old merch of Suka Penguin. I'm trying to find very specific things. There was a really cute hat at Grand Star in the Tokyo Station, but like in Australia, all my hats bleach in under a month, so I'd never be able to wear it outside. Does Eeveeemmy still have the big penguin? No. Damn it. I didn't check the New Days today. I should have. Deciding in Jemerey if I need a $50 Evie. It's not like super great. It's the same quality as this little one. I think the little one's better. I know I have that one. I don't know if I have Bulbasaur. And if I don't have Bulbasaur, I also need to get Squirtle and Charmander. But I don't. My wife's not home at the moment. She's getting groceries, so she can't check. I'll come back. This'll do. I'm going to do this one for me, and then I'm going to try this one for my wife one more time. I better not get the part. Come on, slime. No idea. Wait. What's that? Is that the hand? Oh, does it also come with the slime? Does it come with two? Oh, it does! I got the blue slime. Oh, I'm very happy with that. I agreed to one last time, as in she told me to stop. And I'm not exchanging any more yen for this. Why? I tried. It's never gonna happen. Currently equating everything to the price of a life-size Kaiba tapestry. So see this? This is almost half of one of those. Why doesn't like the idea of me hanging the Kaiba tapestry from our four-poster bed? I think it's a great idea. Okay, I love that. It's also weighted so it stays up. I am coming back. But I spent my Jemerey quota today. Do you really like them? I don't know if you can hear me, it's very loud. I really like them over insisting that you are not allowed to open like model kits or like Gundam or whatever. It's like a consumable, so like tax free, you're not allowed to open them here. I'm like, I'm not gonna build it, I'm going home in 2 days. And they're like, okay. I had to lay down, I listened to some music. I'm gonna go have a Mossburger for dinner. Surprise! And then I'm gonna go get those fuzzy handbags because wife really wants the Hanggang one, and she's gonna pay for it because I'm not allowed to spend any more of my holiday money on her. Too much. So she sent money for them. I love this hoodie. It is so cute. I love my little antennae. It's so comfy. My shoulders are out so I don't get too warm. It is made for Evie. Have the money tomorrow. I'm going back for Kaiba. wife.